I get up at 6 a.m. I'm the first one up. After I get ready, I get my younger brother ready for school. He has a lot of energy in the mornings. I make him breakfast and then it's time to leave. I drop him off to school. I like it when he's happy. I want him to be happy and have no worries. I then walk home but stop at the shops on the way. When I get home, it's time to get Mum out of bed. I then have to wash her in the shower because she finds it difficult. I make her breakfast and we sit and watch the telly. We sometimes play board games. I often think about what my friends are doing. They're going to uni, getting jobs, going out to nightclubs, house parties, and going to gigs. But I can't do that because I have to look after my family. I do have hobbies though. Playing guitar, video games, reading and listening to music. So how's everything going at home?
Alright, it is. Everything's better.
Once a week, I go to a carers group where I meet with other carers.
I help my parents and it's all working out well.
It's a place to make new friends and get advice, and it's been so helpful.
It's been alright this week, it has.
It's made my family's life easier.
Now, but it's getting there.
We get to go on trips. I like going to places like this because I missed out on opportunities because I had to care for my mum when I was growing up.
Parents are feeling a bit better now because they've been feeling very ill lately and everything's getting better.
We have new carers joining every week. Ellen started last week and it's changed her life. It has made life easier and it's helped me become a better carer. Oh, time to pick my brother up from school. It can be hard, but I love my family, and I do enjoy caring for them. I couldn't do it without the help I'm given. Anyway, time for bed. Same thing again tomorrow.